Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be back here with you today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you doing?
I am feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great. I am very excited about our topic for today.
Oh, yes. It's a topic that so many English learners ask about. It's a very big feeling.
A big feeling. Okay, I am curious. What is it?
Today, we are talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes, Emily. That is the number one problem. I hear this from so many people.
Me too. They say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain stops.
Yes, the words are gone.
It feels stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we are going to share some powerful and practical tips to help everyone unlock their English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important episode.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small, friendly request for all of you listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow, and it helps other English learners find us.
And please click that subscribe button for Mr. English Channel. That way you will never miss our new episodes. Thank you all so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. My voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Okay, the first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen. But I already understand. Isn't that good?
Understanding is wonderful. It's step one, but we need to change our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you're doing other things. Maybe you are cleaning or driving, and the English is in the background. You understand, but you are not focused.
Ah, yes, I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen and you repeat.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and I repeat the sentence.
Yes, there is a wonderful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing, like my shadow on the ground.
Exactly like that. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or a short video, and you try to repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time. Wow, that sounds very difficult.
It can be, so you can start small. Listen to one sentence, press pause, and then repeat the sentence.
Okay, listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
And when you feel more confident, you can try to speak with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. So I am not just hearing the English, I am making the English. I am practicing the sounds and the music of the language.
You said it perfectly, Emily. The music of the language. It trains your ears and your mouth to work together. That's a great first tip. Active listening, shadowing, I like it. What is next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode. What is that? Like a secret superhero?
Yes, it is. It's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English. Whew, that is hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself.
Okay, people will think I am a little crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. You just narrate your day.
Narrate?
You mean say what I'm doing.
Yes. For example, when you are in the kitchen, you say, "Okay, I am making coffee now. I need a cup. Where is the milk?" Ah, the milk is in the fridge.
Oh, I can do that. I'm sitting in a studio. I'm talking to Emily. I'm happy.
See? You are doing it. Good job. It feels a little silly at first, but it is so powerful
Why is it powerful?
because it forces your brain to find the words. It's not just understanding, you have to produce the language.
Ah, my brain has to work. I need cup. It's practice for real situations.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 or 10 minutes every day. That is your English mode.
Okay, I will try. So I'm shadowing and I'm talking to myself. But Emily, what if I don't know the words? I stop because I'm searching.
That is a perfect question. And this is tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop? Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No. I mean, stop memorizing lists of words like cat, dog, book, house. This is not very helpful for speaking.
So what should I learn?
You should learn chunks.
Chunks, like a chunk of cake.
I like chunks of cake, but no, chunks are groups of words. They are phrases. They are sentence starters.
Okay, give me an example of a chunk.
Instead of learning the word point, learn the whole chunk. That's a good point.
Oh, that's a good point. I can use that in a conversation.
Yes, or instead of learning the word mean, learn the chunk you know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
Or let me see. Or that's interesting.
Oh, these are like tools. They're ready to use. I don't have to build the sentence.
Exactly. You don't have to think about grammar. You just use the chunk.
Oh, these are like shortcuts for fluency.
Yes. Now, the next tip is maybe the most important one. You must speak every single day.
Every day? Oh, Emily, I am so busy.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but every day.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Saturday.
Yes, much better.
Yes, but then the next question is, who do I talk to?
You can talk to your phone.
My phone doesn't answer me.
No, you use the voice recorder app.
I hate my voice.
Your accent is just you.
So I am my own teacher.
You are. And here's another fun way to practice. Role playing.
And I talk to the wall? What would you like to order?
I would like a pizza, please.
Freezing.
The fear of mistakes.
Mistakes are your friends?
Mistakes are proof you are brave.
Communication, not perfection.
Practice responding.
The English is in your head.
You speak beautifully.
Let's do a review.
Okay. Tip 1, practice shadowing. Listen and repeat.
Tip 2, create your English mode. Talk to yourself.
Tip 3, learn chunks, not single words.
Tip 4, practice every single day.
Tip 5, record your voice.
Tip 6, do role plays.
Tip 7, make friends with your mistakes.
Tip 8, practice responding.
That is a powerful plan.
Thank you so much, Emily.
You are so welcome, and thank you all for listening today.
Remember, understanding is wonderful, but your voice is the bridge.
Speak every day, even if it's imperfect.
That is all the time we have for today.
Before you go, please subscribe to Mr. English.
Give this episode a like.
Leave a comment below.
Which tip will you try first?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you all so much for joining us.
Until next time, everyone, keep practicing. Bye-bye.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.